Hi guys, today I will show you how I gonna iron this wrinkled t-shirt with the travel steamer and iron I got from Amazon. I travel a lot for work and I have been looking for a small steamer that I can take with me when I travel. This one looks very nice. I will unbox it now and then I will iron my shirt. Let me show you what comes inside. You're gonna get a small board and a cup that you can fill out with water the iron, a user manual, and then the unit, the iron. Let's try to use it now. The first thing I notice is how small is the steamer, and it's very light. It's 1.5 pounds. You can put it even in the carry-on. The next thing that I like is that you can turn on the handle. You can turn it 90 degrees. Just press it this way and then you can turn it one more time 180 degrees. That's perfect. So if you need to use it on a surface, you're gonna use it when the handle is turned on 180 degrees. Also, this button here, you can turn on and turn off the steamer, and you can change the different fabric what you have for the clothes. There's an option for cotton, there's an option for silk fabric, wool, and linen. Also, if you don't want to use the steam, there's a dry mode. Now we're gonna add water in the steamer. What is very important, the unit needs to be cold and it needs to be turned off, not plugged in when you add water. Okay, now I will put the steamer on the board and I will turn on the unit. The shirt that I have, it's as I show you, it's the button for turn on and turn off, it's here. Okay, now it's on dry mode. I will move it to linen because that's the shirt, the fabric on the shirt that I have right now. And also I want to compare now this steamer with the iron that I have been using till now. As you guys can see, this one it's a lot bigger, it's more bulky, it's very heavy, and this one it's very compact. So it will take less than a minute for the steamer to be ready. Here it's ready. When it stops blinking, it means it's ready. I will bring the shirt now. Okay, the sleeve is done. And I will do just this side to show you guys. I am amazed for this small unit, how good job it's doing. Okay, this side is done. Here is the final result. It took me less than 2 minutes to iron the shirt. I like that the steamer give you the flexibility of both steamer and iron in one device. If you travel often, need quick touch-up before work, or just don't want to pull out a full-size ironing board every time, this is a convenient option to have at home or on to go.